Well, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever part of you watching me from. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Fritzi and welcome back. So today is gonna be today is gonna be a very special video for you guys. Somebody got a little surprise in the package. Come back and check out who it is and what we got, because they're gonna be very happy. Come back and see. Welcome back. So somebody got a very special package. Don't mind, you see all those boxes in the back because I have the box. Everybody knows I'm moving, so those are my boxes. I pack, well, some of them, so I have boxes in the back. But this is not what that video is about for. This is about a very special package that somebody got, and I ordered for somebody because it is about that time that they receive this gift and they start carrying this with them. So let's go find out who it is. You know what I'm saying? Let's go find out. Okay, so like I said, we have a special present for somebody. I had to order this because, you know, it just is that time. I didn't want to do it, and I don't think I was ready. To be frank, I still don't think I'm ready, but I know she needs it. I know we need to give it to her because it is that time. So we ordered, or I had ordered, I had got Asia on my plan, so we had ordered her a new phone. So not a new phone, her first phone. So we had got Asia a new phone, and we were dreading to do so because she's only 10. And I was like, okay, I don't want to give her a phone. But to the fact that we're moving, she was crying to us the other day because she's going to move in school. We're moving to another state, moving to different schools. So she no longer will have the Apple iPad anymore, or she doesn't have a phone. And she's like, oh my God, what are they going to do? They're going to take my iPad. I don't have nothing to, you know, do anything no more. They're going to take the iPad because when I move, and, you know, being that we're going to have her in different sports, and a lot of sports, and her new homeschool and our new state. So, you know, and with me working and Brad working, and, you know, she's going to be in sports. She's going to need us to call us and stuff like that. And she's 10. And she's a little more responsible, so I said, okay, let's break down and get her phone and see where it takes us. So she's going to need a phone. She was very excited. She asked me the other day, Mom, when is it age that I can get a phone? I'm like, when you're 21. You know what I'm saying? But she has no idea that we got a phone. She's going to be very, very excited. Let's open this box. So she has got the iPhone. She's gonna be so happy. So we got her the iPhone SE 20. So it's very nice, very cute, and we got it in red. It only came in 3 colors. I know she would have wanted purple, pink, but hey, I got it in red. I got her another thing. But anyway, when I ordered it, there was like, oh, we can get her the 11, and it does so much. You know, it's the screen is much bigger. She can do more stuff. But she's in school. I was like, no, she's only 10. Who is she gonna be like in contact with? No. And she don't need an iPhone 11. That's too big for her. She don't know that. This does the same thing. It's only this smaller screen. It's the same thing as iPhone 11. Listen, she don't need all that. She don't need all that. I am going to put her some contacts in here that she doesn't know about. I'm gonna put it in because some of her cousins are excited and they want her to get her phone and want me to tell them when she gets her phone because they want to FaceTime her. So this is what it looks like. It is so cute. So she got this. We're gonna get her this. We got her this. I'm gonna put the contacts in here that she doesn't know that we're gonna put it in here, so that when she gets off the bus, her, you know, cousins can FaceTime her and all that good stuff. So this is kind of cute. I like it. It's small, look, just for her. She don't need a real big, you know, phone. And with the, while that loads, with that, we got her AirPods. We're gonna go with, you know, some wireless stuff. I got her 2 cases, but the other case don't come until next Wednesday because they come back with it. But I got her this. Look, She loves anything Disney, so we got this cute little Minnie Mouse case. But I got her Little Mermaid because her favorite character is Little Mermaid, and she loves everything Little Mermaid. So I got her that, but that's on back order. I have to wait till Wednesday. It'll get here Wednesday. She doesn't know that coming, so she has 2 cases she could swap out. But she can use this in the meantime because I don't want her to break this phone. Okay, guys, so I set this up. I put everything back in the box. I set up her phone and all that stuff, so it's in the box. She didn't come home for school yet. She should be here in about next couple minutes. She should be here, so we are going to surprise her, give her the box, and see what she says. Just hold on, guys. Just wait till she got the school bus. This came for you today. Open. See, we got one. Well, open the thing, Asia.
Wow. This is cool.
Look at the back of it.
A new case. I want to see this. I wanted these at Gabe's.
No, those are better than Gabe's. They're not in Gabe's.
Oh my god. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll give your dad a hug and kiss. As you can see, Asia was very, very excited for her gift. And she's been on it. She called everybody in the family just about who has Apple. She called her brother. She called her 2 sisters. She called her cousins. She called my sisters. She called everybody. I got a new phone. Mad excited. Girl. That girl is a mess. But I'm on my way because I'm on my way to art festival night at school. I might not take video there because I got Kaden and Asia's waiting for Asia. And then I'm going to help my daughter with the other kids. And I ain't got time to be vlogging, but I'm on my way to the art festival, Asia's art festival, Jadian's art festival. They did art festival at school, and they're having like a cookout and stuff at school, and you know, for the kids and the family, and it's just a big old thing. And I'm going to go there and see their art, and they're going to have a contest, a chalk contest, and all that stuff. So we're on the way there, and I see you when I get back because I gotta go to the art festival, and I gotta come back and do some things. But yeah. I'm so glad she got her phone. She's mad happy, and that way she can leave my phone alone, and she doesn't be so sad. But she's been texting back and forth, group text with her cousins, all of them in a group text, taking pictures and videos and everything, and they're a mess. But I'm glad she got her first phone. You know, my daughter got her first phone. She's happy with it. As long as she's happy with it, I'm happy with it. And she's happy with her earpods, and she synced her earpods, and she's good to go. I love my kids. I know it's, you know, I like spoiling my kids a little bit when I can. And I know she just needed it, so I'm glad. But anyway, let me get to this art festival and I'll check you out in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're back. As you can see, my hair is just messed up. The wind is just messed up my hair. Anyway, I am like packing. I'm still packing, either through all the stuff that's going on, or the events at school, because we're at the end of the school year, so there's a lot of events. Even though through all of that, I still have to pack. So as you can see, like, I got some boxes over there. This is Asia's room. So there's some boxes there. I got the TV. I got stuff here. And I almost done. I got done doing Asia's room yesterday. So I sent like about 3 boxes, 4 bags through the donation box thing. And then I had like 2 bags sent to my son and his girlfriend for their daughters. And then I have 2 other big bags sent. It's going to be sent to my brother for his daughter because they fit his clothes, so, or her clothes. So I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm trying to finish up. As you can see, I'm taping up boxes so that this done. Those are her shoes. We sorted her shoes out. You see the big boxes, the big bags there. That's for my brother and his daughter. And this is the clothes she had left. And up there, I got organized all that. Put that in boxes. And then we have this right here, which is her bookshelf. And I gotta get this done. organize it and put all this stuff away because this stuff she ain't using. So we're gonna put this away in boxes. And then I have a toy chest there. We gotta go through those toys and figure out what she don't want. So what she don't want, I can send to donation. And that is all I'm packing. And then tomorrow I will start in with my spare room and I have half my room done. I have to finish up my room and get that done. And there's some stuff I still have to pack. But most of the upstairs is packed. Now we have to go to the basement, which I'll tackle probably Monday or Tuesday. Of all the stuff we have down there, we're going to be ordering a dumpster. We're going to put that dumpster in our front yard and start just throwing stuff, everything, big items, whatever furniture we don't want. And then when we're done doing that, then we'll have it hauled away. And then we go pack up our stuff to move. So I'm going to finish out taping out these boxes and getting this all squared away. This is what I'm doing now, as you can see. Packing, what a joy. It's bittersweet because my rest of my family's here. You know, Brad and his Brad's family's here. You know, all the people that we love is here, but we have to go on with our life, and I had to move on my life and do my things and live out my dream, you know what I'm saying? So when I get down there, I'll be able to do all my Disney vlogs and everything I want to do. I will be vlogging my move. I will be vlogging my move all the time. Every time I vlog, it's going to be vlogging the move, vlogging our packing, our truck. We're going to be vlogging on our haul down south to our new home. So we'll be doing all that stuff. And when we get down there, I'm vlogging us moving in, putting our stuff in our house. And then I will give you a home tour. As soon as we're down there and we're settled, we'll do a home tour on that note. But this is just me just trying to get everything done because it is hectic in this house. Thank you so much for watching our little surprise we gave our daughter. I'm so happy for her. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share us out if you can. Share us out and, you know, and share the love of our channel. And if you're new here and you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button right down there in the bottom so you can become a part of our family. We would love to have you here. And if you're already a subscriber, hello, thank you, and keep coming back. You know, we love you. Always stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired. Most of all, stay empowered. Empower yourself, empower somebody else's life to be a better you than it was today before, right? Always, always, always spread love and peace. It's a good way to go. On that note, love, peace, and a ball of hair grease. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, guys.